Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Cajun pickled eggs. What all goes into the Cajun pickled eggs? 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning. I looked all through my spices and I know I have one, and I was upset I couldn't find it. But then I remembered that I made Cajun seasoning homemade. I will leave the recipe for the homemade Cajun seasoning in the description box below. We need 1 jalapeno, 1 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon sea salt. So let's begin. So take a saucepan over high heat and cook the vinegar, which is 1 cup, the 1 jalapeno slices, and I removed most of the seed. You don't have to. And it doesn't say when to add the salt, but I'm assuming it'd go more in the vinegar rather than just in the jar. I could be wrong. And heat that up until boiling. I would imagine the salt would kind of neutralize everything a little bit. I don't know. I always hate when you have a recipe and they leave out an important step. After it starts boiling, remove it off of the heat and let it cool just a little bit. I'm hoping this will all fit into the pint jar. That's what it suggests. If not, I have another jar ready. Start layering your eggs. I'm going to put 2 of them in, and then sprinkle some of the Cajun seasoning. And then put 2 more eggs. And again, this is 1 tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning. And the last 2 eggs. And that's going to be a tight fit. I'm going to kind of push them down just a little bit because we got to put the brine in. And then the last of the Cajun seasoning. The brine, of course, will move this stuff all around anyway. Then pour your brine over the eggs and the Cajun seasoning. And I put it in a measuring cup to make it easier to pour so I won't make a mess. And I'm going to stick the jalapenos down in there. I want everything submerged, which is going to be tough. You probably should get maybe just a little bit bigger jar. I don't know. I can't get any more brine in there. There's not a whole lot left in there. It says you should have about 1/4 inch headspace, and I do not have that. But luckily this is not actually going to be canned or water sealed or any of that. It's just going to go into the refrigerator. So definitely either, do 4 eggs or do 2 jars or do bigger jar. But we got it all in there except for 3 slices of jalapenos and just about a teaspoon of the brine, if that much. So let this cool to room temperature, seal it, and put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours, and it'll stay good in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. So here is the Cajun pickled eggs. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells hot.
It probably is hot.
The egg is a little hot. Just eating the egg, I can taste the peppers. And the peppers are pretty hot.
That is Cajun pickled eggs.
Well, it's pretty good, actually. I get enough heat from just the egg without the peppers, but it's got pretty good flavor to it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.